In response to attacks by the United States and Israel, Iran has launched Operation Fateh Khaibar, delivering a strong retaliatory response across the Middle East. On Monday, Iran reportedly shot down a U.S. fighter jet in Kuwaiti airspace using a missile. Tehran also carried out large-scale destructive strikes in multiple areas of Israel, including Tel Aviv and Haifa. Attacks have also been launched targeting U.S. bases located in different countries across the Middle East. Iran has been conducting missile strikes aimed at radar and surveillance systems. The U.S. fighter jet was reportedly crossing Kuwaiti airspace when it was suddenly struck by an Iranian missile. Iranian state media, along with several international outlets, broadcast video footage of the incident. After the explosion, the aircraft lost control and eventually crashed to the ground. The pilot managed to eject safely using a parachute before the crash. Operation Fateh Khaibar is being carried out as Iran's retaliation against U.S. and Israeli attacks. Iran has reportedly launched extensive strikes on strategic locations across Israel, including Tel Aviv. So far, more than 200 missiles have been fired toward Israeli territory. Significant destruction has been reported in areas such as Haifa and Jerusalem. International media outlets claim the Netanyahu administration is attempting to conceal the true extent of damage and casualties. However, Iran has reportedly carried out its highest number of attacks against the United Arab Emirates. Approximately 150 missiles and 200 drones have been launched toward the country. The United Arab Emirates, one of Israel's closest allies in the Middle East, was among the first to sign the Abraham Accords. The Al Dhafra Air Base in the UAE hosts US F-35 fighter jets, which have reportedly been used in strikes against Iran. During the first 2 days of its operations, Iran focused on targeting U.S. surveillance equipment, including radar systems. These systems serve as early warning networks for both the United States and Israel. If these warning systems are destroyed, Iran's strike capability and operational range would significantly increase. Bahrain is often considered the center of U.S. military power in the Middle East. Iran has reportedly targeted and destroyed a U.S. naval base and one of the region's most powerful radar systems there. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps' IRGC has launched 7 missiles and 34 drones toward Bahrain. In response to US and Israeli attacks, Iran has not only continued its counteroffensive, but has intensified it. Following the death of Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, changes were reportedly made to Iran's war strategy. Leadership of military operations has been decentralized, meaning that instead of relying on a single command center, multiple leadership units are directing the attacks. This approach ensures that even if one unit is damaged, others can continue the fight.